Good morning, all ladies and gentlemen present here. I am Nancy Beniwal in front of you. Today, I am giving the summary of a book, You Can Win, written by Shiv Khera. Before starting the summary of a book, You Can Win, first of all, I will talk about the author, Shiv Khera. He is an Indian activist, of an Indian author of a self-help book, and an activist. He launched a movement against caste-based reservation. He is at a foundation of an organization in India, Bharatiya Rashtrayawadi Samanta Party. In 1998, Shiv Khera published his first book, You Can Win. It means that Jeet Aapki. This book focuses on achieving success through personal development and in a positive attitude. First of point, key success is significance of your attitude. Your attitude is regardless of your chosen. He is in a foundation. Your attitude determines that where you are going, what you are think and behave. There are three components of a significance of building your attitude. First, environment, which is on your surrounding, experience, and education. Winners don't do different things, they do things differently. Ways to keep positive. First, change focus. Look for positive. Neglect all the power of your mind, negativity. Accept your responsibilities. Key lesson second, success. You may be defined what is success. Success is defined as every successful person have a own story of a failure. Successful people overcome your defeats. 8 way, how is successful in your life? Responsibility, hard work, patience, consistency, develop your desire. Ways why we achieve success in our life. First, lack of courage, purpose, lack of faith, looking towards shortcuts, fear, inability to use your talents, not learning from your past mistakes. Key lesson third, creating a positive self-esteem. Positive self-esteem. First of all, you have create a positive self-esteem. Accept your responsibilities, making the list of your strength and weakness. Convert your weakness into strength. Key lesson 4. Build up attitude right. Attitude is one of those words that keeps popping up over and over again. Yes, it is an important. Every successful person have a story of a failure. Every successful person have a right attitude and then they become successful person in our life. According to the author suggests that you have spent your time with the total quality peoples who have goals and ambitions. Key lesson 5. Don't fake it. If you want a charming personality, is to add a substance on it. If you want to be charming, then you have work on it. You don't become charming by faking. You have to exercise, meditation, work with an amazing people. Then you have become charming personality. You have a right mindset and a positive attitude. Key lesson 6. Positive attitude and a negative attitude. Which type of attitude is best in life? You have two types of attitude, a positive and negative. Which type of attitude you have choose? Always you have your own choice. So it's up to you. What attitude you have choose? According to the author suggests that a positive attitude is good and it reduces the stress of a people. A positive attitude is good and a negative attitude is hard. A positive attitude have a right mindset. Key lesson 7. Embrace the change. At least develop a desire to change your whole life. Embrace the desire. Develop your desire. Have a right mindset. Key lesson 8. You have a do it now attitude. Just do it. If you follow these 3 words, then you have changed your whole life. Some people have an attitude, do it later. No, rather than do it now, just do it. Its type of attitude change your whole life. Key lesson 8. Utilize your time to be the fullest. Living in the present does not mean that you have to ignore your past and future altogether. Utilize your time is a bet or worse. Key lesson 9. Education is not more than you think. Education depends on you. A real education is on your experience, a real life experience. So, at the end of the summary, this book helps us to focus on the success, a right mindset, the 7 most powerful: meditation, exercise, visualization, positive self-esteem. Utilize your time to the fullest, negative attitude and positive attitude. Thank you and then have a nice day.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen present here. I am Anshu Baniwal in front of you. I am feel very happy and grateful to have such golden opportunity to standing here and deliver a short summary of You Can Win book, which is written by Shiv Kheda. Firstly, before talking about You Can Win summary, I am talking about the book author, the Shiv Kheda. He is an Indian artist of self-help book and activities. He launched a movement against a caste-based reservation in India and founded an organization called the First Foundation in country and started a Bharatiya Rajaswati Samanta Party. In 1998, he published a first book, You Can Win. It's Win Jeet Aapki. And this book focuses on achieving success through a personal growth and a positive attitude. And the other books written by Shiv Kheda is Living with Honorable. It's been living with honorable and respectable world in a fractured world. In this summary, you can learn more things about your real life. And in this summary, motivate the people and take things right in a real world, real life, and turn into the positive thrust. It is focus and move towards a success which is a positivity. Winners do not think differently. Winners do not differently things. They do things differently. All the successful people have some qualities and traits we have to win success in our life. In this summary, you will learn more things about your real life. Firstly, positive mind, positivity, motivation, self-esteem, vision, real education, environment, experience, and so on, etc. So first key lesson is build your attitude right. Attitude is those words that popping up over and over again. Everything depends on your attitude. Yes, it is important. Most successful person have a right attitude. They become successful. Your attitude is decided that how will you win and success in your life and faces any circumstances. Your attitude is determined by you think, how you think and behave. It also have to turn your weakness into a strength. The attitudes affect your attitude. Surrounding the positive people that affect your attitude. The author suggests that you have surrounded the total quality people that affect your right attitude and right mindset to maintaining our whole life and change your whole life. Second key lesson is how the factors that affect your attitude. There are some factors that affect your attitude, but 3 factors are main factor. First is environment, second is experience, and third one is education. First is environment. Environment surrounded the all effective people and total quality people that change your attitude and change your whole life. Second one is experience. The real life education is a real life experience. Third one is education. Education is help to the right mindset and maintaining and developing your life. Third key lesson is don't fake it. All the people have faking charming by a faking, but do not faking by charming. Do exercise, reading books, do a working for amazing people, and they help to improving and developing or maintaining the right mindset. The key lesson 4 is embrace it. That is only one change your whole life and help to your mindset. Key lesson 5 is your positive, how to choose your positive or negative attitude. The author suggests that only choose the positive attitude because it helps to reduce your stress, productivity, and more than problem solver, etc. So third key lesson is just do it. That for 3 words is improve your whole life. Just do it. Key lesson 9 is education is more than you think that. In present time, education is feeding the information in your brain, but the real education is training of your mind and heart. The real education is a real life experience. The key lesson 10 is utilize your present time. In this summary, you can learn the positivity, focus on your success, you can win, how to choose your positive attitude, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.